Today, I'm making carbonara from scratch. I've never attempted it before, but that's not gonna stop me from nailing it flawlessly on my first try.
Stop the cap.
Nah, this was definitely a dumpster fire. But we learned some things along the way. And you know, that's just what happens when you're cooking through a cookbook, cover to cover.
We're not apologizing to Joshua Weissman. We probably make his food better.
That's definitely not happening. Today we got a twofer. We're knocking out 2 recipes from the book. I'll show you the end product first. It's gonna look better than the picture. Trust me.
Really?
Yeah, but you'll see right here, one of the ingredients is fresh pasta, which is another recipe. So we're gonna go ahead and make the pasta, and then we're gonna make the carbonara. But I did do it before, so I feel like I'm gonna be a pro at this. And I already prepped my workstation. Look, right here, sanitized, all clean, all good. I don't have this kind of machine, or that kind of machine, or this kind of machine. But I did buy a rolling pin. So I'm pretty stoked. 3 cups of unbleached all-purpose. We need salt, 5 large eggs, olive oil. Okay, that's cool. Okay. We're gonna start with putting the flour in on the sanitized surface.
Wait, hit see it like that.
I don't know, I just needed to reiterate.
Did you spread it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a well. I'm honestly just like,
Well.
yeah, like this. Yeah, see?
God.
I have not made pasta since my last video on making pasta, so.
And it was good.
So the pasta in my last video was actually pretty good, which led to overconfidence in this video. But last video, I was practicing multiple times because I was making a tutorial. And this thing is still up on my channel, and oh my gosh, I am cringing when I see this back. Like, I don't want to show you this, but I'm gonna show you this because we're friends, this is a safe space. But why did I open a video like this? Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. But where is here? Right, and then you're like slowly adding more flour. Here, I'll put it all on the outskirts.
I don't think you needed more flour and 2 eggs.
I think I needed more flour and I need more eggs.
Oh, so you're just doing more. Okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
I think I'm supposed to add some salt too. I'm not making the mistake from the last video.
And season the chicken with salt.
Okay, I think that was enough eggs. Gotta add the salt now. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, all right.
Oh my god.
Just trust me. Trust me, this is why the counter was sanitized. We're figuring this out, okay? I'm gonna keep adding the flour. See, it's starting to make a shaggy dough.
What Scooby-Doo got to do with this?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
We're definitely getting somewhere, right?
Oh.
We're getting somewhere. Like, look, that doesn't look like enough, right? Hang on. Yeah. All right.
Your fingers look like the Grinch.
If he was just like tan, took a vacation. All right, relax. Bro. Okay, here we go. I got the fork. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Look at this, look at that. Look at that beautiful texture. That right there is what we're looking for. All right, I want to combine them. I don't want like 2 pieces. I want 1.
So put it next to each other.
Hold on, I'm going to. Let me
right now.
No, not yet. Like, look at this. It's not ready. All right, can you? I need flour on my hand, I think. Here, pour some on my hands. Yeah. Okay. And that like, it's like so sticky because it doesn't have enough flour or something. There's somebody watching this that knows far more about making pasta and is just so pissed. I definitely need some more flour, I feel like. I'm supposed to knead it more. Yeah, I need more flour. A little dusting of flour. Ooh.
Oh my god, you don't against my other.
Ooh. Alright. Yeah. And there we have it. That's my dough. All right, now for the whole reason why I even like bought this thing with our floured. Ooh!
That's pretty.
It's like such a weird shape. What does that look like? A chicken nugget?
It's like your head.
All right, bro. I don't need you to be mean to me. All right, let me go back to the page that I need to go on.
Wait, what did you just pass?
The chicken katsu is a great video.
I think you should go back
Okay,
to that.
hold on.
Oh, y'all haven't seen that? Go ahead and check that out.
You're so stupid. All right, the next step. So you'll notice something here with the actual finished product. There are spaghetti noodles. Like I said, I don't have any of these types of machines. I can't make spaghetti noodles right now. I'm gonna do it the only way I know how. Fettuccine. I'm gonna do fettuccine. I feel like I need to just go ahead and cut it this way. Mm-hmm. Right? Mm-hmm.
Can I cut it?
It's homemade. Do you want to cut it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Careful, SpongeBob.
Like, this is all I'm doing, and then you're doing the rest. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's working.
Like, I'm not.
That's a thick, weird noodle. Nah, I'm playing mine would look bad too. And just imagine how dull we're making these knives. I know how to fix that.
You have a knife sharpener video.
Good thing I have a knife sharpening video for real. You're not gonna cut more? I thought you said you were gonna cut it up. Cut it up.
All of it?
Yes, cut it up.
That's why I cut this. This is all I'm doing. You got the rest. You're the professional.
Okay. I am the professional.
I'm not gonna fuck up all this and he's eating it and being like, it could have been smaller. If you did it exactly 3/4 shorter, then like, no, I'm not doing that. Look, focus SpongeBob. Focus SpongeBob. Focus SpongeBob.
It's looking pretty good. Actually, I think it's time that we flip a page. I feel like this is recipe 1 kind of done. You know, we got the thing. It looks like this. You know, we cut the pasta. Step 1, bring a large pot of water seasoned very generously with salt, and then we're gonna cook the spaghetti al dente, or the fettuccine. Gotcha. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so it says in the book, as salty as the ocean. So,
Cameron!
salty as the ocean. That's good. Let's add some oil. Cool. I don't know the best way of putting this all in there. Do like this maybe? Oh.
Want me to help?
It's okay. Oh. Everything's looking cool. All right, we're cool. All right, we're gonna take a large skillet. We're gonna put that on heat. Cool, and that is definitely working. That's good. We need turkey bacon. I bought it just for this occasion.
Fake meat.
All right, our pasta's looking ready. This looks,
Ugh.
yeah, different than any pasta
These
I've
are
ever
like
had.
chips.
Oh,
Fingers.
I know,
Those
right?
are like fingers. Look at the fingers.
Hey, I'm gonna level with you. I'm getting kind of stressed. There's a lot going on in my kitchen, so if I'm like dialed in, don't mind me. I'm trying to get this recipe right. I'm gonna add the turkey bacon.
Is this what carbonara is?
Yeah, so we're supposed to
got
use like
this.
bacon and things. Like I went turkey bacon just to keep it, you know, a little bit more PG.
PG. This is rated R.
Okay, while the pasta's cooking, the cold chicken, we're gonna add the the bacon substitute. Stirring occasionally until the fat renders out brown and crispy. We need that brown and crispy, the turkey bacon. And then we're gonna have some garlic that we're gonna stir in. Nice. I actually keep. This is the garlic I'm using. It's already pre-chopped. Like, don't at me. Come on now. Add the pasta to the pan with the meat and the garlic. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I need to drain this guy. I think it's ready. We're supposed to keep some pasta water. Hold up. I'll come back for that noodle. Yeah, be aggressive with it. Perfect. Will you grab a spoon and open the garlic? We need to put garlic in here.
You know, he got these Superman freaking tight. I can't open it because you keep tightening it.
Here.
Everything he does is like, oh my god, you like screw it to oblivion. Like what?
There.
Well, I'm a girl.
I did say I was gonna come back for this guy. Ah, that is hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Bruh. Go and add it in. Add more. Cool. Right, we are going to add the pasta back onto the heat. Turn this guy off. This is the weirdest looking pasta I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, and it feels really weird.
Well, it's gonna
It
taste
tastes like
delicious.
skin, bro.
Skin pasta?
Skin pasta.
Alright, we're gonna add this guy.
Oh, look, he's ready for it.
We're gonna add this in here. Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. So now we add. Yeah, he said egg yolks. I'm totally messing this recipe up at this point. I'm gonna do one just egg. A lot of Parmesan. And yes, it's the. I'm terrible. I know it's grated. And then now we're supposed to.
How about pasta water?
Hold on.
Okay, that's
We're getting there. Okay. And then we're supposed to put in some pasta water. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in the bowl. See how we're doing. Oh my gosh, this is so ridiculous looking. I don't know if it looks better in the picture.
It does.
It does? Yeah. It's about to. Cause check this out. A little bit of that old green onion. Right on top. Pretty close. Pretty close. Let me see. The noodles, they look wonky. The turkey bacon, this was not designed for turkey bacon. And green onions is a weird thing to put on this. But let's see how it tastes. It was awful. This is the low point of my cooking career, and it taught me that I need to prep for these videos. And you'll see that moving forward. I won't put anything out like this again, I promise. I might break that promise.
This really is not good.